Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Trendy Hot Beauty. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels. Thank you. I give you a big thumbs up. We just reached 3,000 views as of last night in the first 21 days of this channel launching. I'm so excited. I just want to thank all my subscribers and new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. We have lots of new content coming up. Tomorrow is Sassy Saturdays and Sundays, and we have lots of products to review, lots of new content happening. We have microblading happening on myself. We also have a review of Jeffree Star Cosmetics, that's right, which will be coming up in the next week or two. And we also are doing budget-friendly, economically priced cosmetics. Full face, that's right, full face cosmetics for under $50, under $25, and maybe even under $10. So, if you're a teenager and you need to get makeup, stay tuned. Kenzie Craig Michaels is here for you to help you from Trendy Hot Beauty. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Once again, 3,000 views in 21 days. I am so proud of you guys for watching my channel. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for joining me here at Trendy Hot Beauty. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels.